Welcome to the Sunny Heat video tutorials. This tutorial is about brightness. What is the brightness? The brightness determines how bright the display of the EcoControl thermostat is. If the display is set brighter, the contrast to the text increases. Where can I set the brightness? The brightness can be set in the menu under General, Brightness. How can I set the brightness? By tapping on the respective option, the display changes its brightness. Eco is the darkest, Normal is slightly brighter, and Bright is the lightest. Bright is now selected. The selected value is marked with a tick. Pressing the back button several times takes you back to the main display. The display is now set to bright. The brightness has an impact on the battery life of EcoControl. The brighter the display, the higher the energy consumption. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. The Cree Systems team says thank you for listening. More information about Sunny Heat is available at sunnyheat.com.